Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a map for the Roborock Saros Z70. If you're interested in the Z70, the link to it will be in the video description. First things first, in the Roborock app, we got to enter into our device. From here, we have a blue button towards the center bottom third of the screen that says Quick Mapping. This is where we can create our map. If for some reason you're not seeing that there, top right-hand corner, hit the settings gear icon. We can scroll down until we see the Manage Maps option here, where we can toggle on or off map saving, home layout, single or multi-level. Then you can adjust how you want it to recognize what level it's on. But from here, we have a Create a New Map button down at the bottom. So you can select that right here. Or again, if you have it back here on the main screen, you can select Quick Mapping. That's what we're going to do here. Do not pick up the robot or move the dock. Basically, prep the floor ahead of time. Make sure all the doors are open or closed that you want for the map. Maybe there's some rooms you don't want to map, then you can shut those doors. If you want every room mapped, then make sure the doors and the entrances are clear so you can get in there to start mapping. So now we're going to go ahead, we're going to select Quick Mapping, and here we go. It's going to go out now, it's going to leave the station and map our environment. All right, it just finished mapping and we're taken to this screen once the vacuum makes its way back to the station. It took us about 7 minutes to map. The robot has familiarized itself with your home. We have a couple checks there. We can select OK, or we can adjust our map. I'm going to select OK. And again, this took 7 minutes. So we got a kitchen, a living room, an entryway and a hallway, a bathroom, and a bedroom. So your mileage will vary anywhere between, just tell yourself 5 to 10 minutes. This is also very cluttered, so it did a nice job, all things considered. Fairly quick, again, for the complex environment that we threw at it. Already identifying obstacles for us. But from here, we could adjust or edit the map or leave it be, depending on what we're after and what sort of job it did. But I'm happy with this map overall. I like how it adjusted different rooms or even hallways. Like that, the corridor clearly labeled. And then right here, again, our entryway. That's a stairwell over there. So not bad at all. Simple and straightforward to map. Should take you 10 minutes or less.